Namaste. Welcome to our day 5 30 days yoga challenge. Let's come into the cat and we will work into the cat. And bringing your head up, arching your back, compressing your back. And as you exhale, bring your chin towards the chest, hunch your back, stretch your back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Back to the center. Then inhale, raise your right hand, right arm, left leg, balance. Exhale down, chain the hand and leg. Exhale down, inhale, change. Exhale down, inhale, change. Exhale down. Now raise your left leg back, bend the left knee and hold with your right hand. Lift your head up. Balance. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Grab with your left hand. Inhale, lift your head up. Exhale, release. Stand onto your knees. Open your left leg. Then inhale, bring your right arm up. As you exhale, bend towards the left, stretch to your right. Keep breathing. Inhale back to the center. Release. And bring the right hand on the ground. Inhale. Lift your left arm up. And then if you can, balance. Lift your left leg up. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Right leg out. Inhale. Left arm up. And as you exhale, bend towards the right. Stretch to your left. Inhale back to the center. Bring the left hand on the ground. Right arm up, inhale. And if you can, lift the right leg up. Exhale down. And go back into cat. Lift your hips up for the downward dog. Bend your knee and push your hip back. Downward dog. Push your hip back, knee bent. Downward dog. One leg stretch. Push the hip back, bend your knee. Then bring your right foot forward. Knee down, toes down. Push your hip down, look forward. Tuck your toe. Lift your knee up, then bring your arms up for warrior one. Go into warrior two. Keep your knee bent 90 degree, the left foot flat on the ground, look forward. Come back straight, turn to your left, bring the hands on the ground, knee on the ground, push your hip down, look forward. And tuck your toe, push your knee up, go into warrior one. And open your leg and hand in warrior two. Back to the center. Bring your feet in H shape. Bring the hands on the ground. Check your feet whether they need to be wider or less wide, so that your hand can be on the ground, or you can bring two blocks to bring your hand onto the blocks. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, neck relaxed, and looking between your hands. Or you can bring your hands onto your waist and keep bending from your hips, feeling onto your back of the legs. Then bring the hands on the ground. Bring the feet closer, about hip width apart. Interlock your hands and hang there to let your back stretched, back of the legs stretched. And release your hands and very slowly, vertebra by vertebra, come back up. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. And thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.